What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to show you the Honda's new chassis, the new 1/8 gears cars. Now let's unbox it. Is the Honda's X3GTS-E. This is the next generation of the former X3GT. Now by the way, my speedrun team, Team OE, and my teammate Frank, he made the world's fastest 1/8 gears cars, and his chassis is used the former X3GT. Now by the way, my team will use these cars to break the new world fastest 1/8 gears car record. Now let's unbox it. This is all of it. Now let's see. Front bumper for a lot of gears. Suspensions. I don't know where it is. Gears, shock oils, and some other tools. Motor mount and the gear arm. A lot of differential piece. By the way, this is nylon. It's not plastics, nor the aluminum. Wow, look at it. This is the aluminum 70 and 75 chassis. It's so light, but it is heavier than the carbon fiber chassis. Our team will made the carbon fiber chassis for the X3GTS-E. Receiver box and the battery box. And the stickers here and the manual. Now that's all for the case of the Honda X3 GTS-E.